Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. In the last video, we took a look at the bigger picture as well as the smaller time frame. In this video, I just want to give you a quick overview of the microstructure because Solana has developed nicely. We've now reached our standard resistance area that I communicated in the last video. And I've actually added a microstructure as well, a micro count. Again, when we talk about these micro counts, you get the quickest updates on our Discord server. When you watch this video, sometimes things have moved on, so I'm not entirely sure if when you watch the video, the microstructure might be invalid, or we might have moved on, or there might have been new developments. But if you want to get the latest updates, check out our memberships, specifically the gold membership. But I will keep it as up to date as possible, and once I record this or have recorded it, it will go straight to YouTube. So what did we look at, or what are we looking for, were we looking for yesterday? So yesterday we were already, we identified yesterday this ABC structure to the downside, which was basically complete. The price reached at 23.6 retracement, pretty much, I think came close to, by $1, I think another dollar was missing, but it came very close. So again, these fib levels, they are not there necessarily to be reached exactly. They often are, but they're more like areas, right? Areas of sentiment. So we know when we get close to an area like that, and it might go slightly below it or might stop just above it, but this is typically where we could expect a reaction. And the reaction happened, and yesterday I made you aware that we are looking for at least the start of a B wave. So due to the depth of the pullback that we've seen down to $222, the idea is that we could be in a larger wave 4. And the A wave element finished yesterday, and the idea was, okay, we are watching for a B wave bounce. So that was also communicated on X. So if you're interested in additional updates, follow us there as well. You can find the link in the description. That was posted yesterday. For now, I am watching for the start of wave B at some point, and we had reached this level and we already saw a reaction. And this is precisely what we see right now. So you can see that the price reacted, we're now rallying, and now it's about, okay, what is that microstructure? In the previous video yesterday, I shared with you this resistance area, which is standard resistance for a B wave. And the resistance area, again, there isn't really that one level that a B wave needs to reach. B waves could even overshoot to the upside, right? Someone asked me, based on this upside momentum, is it still a B wave? Now, typically, as long as it's only a 3-wave move, I can't really call it something more bullish. And we haven't even broken above resistance. So all we've done, we've entered standard resistance, and it looks like a choppy overlapping structure that is a 3-wave move to the upside. While I record this video, Bitcoin also has formed 3 waves up from yesterday's low. So as long as it's a 3-wave move, I call it a B wave. Should we form, as it's highlighted here, a healthy wave 4, so I need to see at least a dip that's somewhat noteworthy, and a higher low, so a higher low and a higher high, then we can call that potentially a 5-wave pattern. That is when we can possibly at least consider more bullish options, right? So for now, the idea was, okay, from down here, we're watching for a bounce. If the bounce is in 3 waves, the yellow count remains relevant. If the bounce is in 5 waves, and again, always bear in mind, the interpretation could be wrong if it's a 3-wave move or a 5-wave move. We're on a very small time frame here. But if it's a 5-wave move, we can at least consider that something more bullish might be playing out. Best would obviously be a 5-wave move up that also breaks above resistance. That would be even clearer. For now, this structure can extend against the $236.45 level. As long as we're holding that, upside extension is possible. If we get a dip into that area, I want to see a reaction and then another high, then we have 5 waves up. But at this stage, because we have 3 waves up into resistance, we shouldn't be surprised if that support breaks. That $236.45 level is only a signal level. Any sustained break below it would suggest that the C wave to the downside has started, possibly targeting $196. But it would need to be, in an ideal world, to really get a clear signal, it would need to be an impulsive break. So it needs to be something that is impulsive, ideally in 5 waves with downside momentum, then a higher low, then a lower high. Yeah, so breaking of support, lower high, and then this would set the stage for lower. So we're at a key decision point now. Next resistance at $247.29, then $254.78 and $259.40. And as we go higher, I will adjust this support area because it has to climb with the price. It's a bit like a trailing stop. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.